The automotive community is abuzz with the latest controversy surrounding a 1963 Chevrolet Corvette Stingray split-window coupe. This iconic vehicle, revered for its unique split rear window and classic design, has undergone a radical transformation, sparking a heated debate among car enthusiasts. The modification in question is the installation of a modern LT4 engine, a supercharged 6.2-liter V8 typically found in contemporary high-performance vehicles like the Chevrolet Camaro ZL1 and Corvette Z06. The LT4 engine swap offers substantial performance enhancements, with the modern V8 producing an impressive 650 horsepower and 650 lb-ft of torque. This dramatic increase in power transforms the driving experience, propelling the classic Corvette into the realm of modern supercars. Proponents of the modification argue that the engine swap breathes new life into the vintage vehicle, blending the best of both worlds, classic aesthetics and modern performance. However, this transformation has not been without its critics. Purists argue that altering such a historically significant vehicle is sacrilegious, detracting from its original charm and authenticity. The 1963 split-window Corvette is a highly prized collector's item, celebrated for its distinctive design and cultural significance. Many believe that preserving its originality is paramount, and any modifications, especially those as drastic as an engine swap, undermine its historical value. The debate extends beyond just the engine. The LT4 swap often necessitates additional modifications to the car's drivetrain, suspension, and braking systems to handle the increased power. These changes, while improving performance, further distance the vehicle from its original specifications, intensifying the controversy. Despite the backlash from traditionalists, there is a growing trend of restomodding, where classic cars are updated with modern technology and components. This movement reflects a broader shift in the automotive world, where enthusiasts seek to enjoy the timeless designs of classic cars without sacrificing the performance and reliability of modern engineering. The LT4 swapped split-window Corvette exemplifies this trend, pushing the boundaries of what is acceptable in the world of classic car restoration and modification. It challenges the notion of preserving originality at all costs, proposing instead that innovation and personalization have a place in the preservation of automotive history. As this debate rages on, the LT4 swapped 1963 Chevrolet Corvette Stingray split-window coupe stands as a testament to the evolving nature of car culture. Whether viewed as a sublime fusion of old and new or a sinful desecration of a classic, it undeniably captures the passion and diversity of the automotive community.